Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 shower gel, which I ordered on drbronner.ch, the Swiss website for Dr. Bronner, and they are also were able to deliver it to me in this package. I got a bunch of different products, and this one is the Peppermint 18-in-1 shower gel in the 4 fluid ounce or 120 milliliter bottle. Let's get into it. First of all, cute package, not too much packaging, quite small for the 6 articles that I got. And let's get out the product itself. You can already see the brown color, the blue color, blue color. It says here Dr. Bronner's Peppermint 18-in-1 natural soap. The ingredients here in the front, it's you can see it's fair trade, also biological. Yeah, that's it. Color wise, it's not like in other soaps or shower gels. It's not blue or an extreme color. It's just very naturally colored because there's no coloring in here, which is a good thing because it's not good for your skin, I've heard. So yeah, this is the bottle. You can it's valid, doesn't focus, but now you can see it, 24 months right here. So quite a while you can keep it. Here we see the color a little better, and also they put the lid, let's say, in like another like some more tape around it, which is good. The top, yeah, it's can't spill out, which is a good thing. This one you can't smell through the bottle, but yeah, and it says here 120 milliliters, which is 4 fluid ounces. Yeah. Alright. Also has tips on how to use it. Back here, how you need to use it. I got this small bottle because I wanted to give it a try first. What else can we see here? Family tradition since 1858. This bottle is well, in German because I live in a German-speaking country. Yeah. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. It's free and you can always change your mind. I hope you have an amazing day. Check out my other videos and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.